Hi guys, Lens here, and I have a Samsung Galaxy S5. And if you experience any battery problem where your battery is not charging for some reason, I'm gonna demonstrate to you in this video. You're experiencing a blinking battery icon and your battery is not charging, something like this. Yeah, it's not charging. You don't need to panic or anything. The phone is making a brief vibration. It's not charging and the phone is not coming on. You don't need to do any sort of button combination or anything like that. You don't need to do anything. If you're not seeing the percentage moving up, you're not seeing anything stating that the battery is charging, it is just blinking off and on like this. You don't need to do any button combination sort of thing because it is not going to help you. I'm gonna show you later on what is really happening to our battery here, right? So what I'm gonna do, I am going to open the phone. I'm going to take out the battery and I am going to put in a new battery into the phone, and I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to plug in the charger, and here we can see the battery logo. It's on and it is now charging the device. You can see that our battery is at 46%, 47, and the phone is charging. I can even go ahead and I can turn on the device if I want to. So yeah, this is the problem. So the device is now charging successfully. We can see the percentage on our phone for the battery level. So guys, this is how you can solve that problem with your phone not charging by simple doing a battery replacement. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm going to take out back this battery and I am going to leave the phone right here, and I am gonna show you what is really happening with this battery right now. This battery life is going and it's no good, so I'm gonna show you exactly what is happening with this. So what I have here is a battery charger right here, and I'm just gonna do a simple thing. I am going to just align the battery with this charger. So I just aligned the battery with this universal charger, and normally we can see the percentage on this charger, but there's some power in the battery and the battery is just blinking. It's not showing 10%, it's not giving us 25, it's just blinking. And if I try charging the battery, it's not gonna charge. So this battery is on its way to being of no use to us. As you can see here, we can see that it is telling us 100%. This should be moving up. If we choose to charge our phone, this should be moving up. It's not moving up. So yeah, when I unplug, we're just seeing this blinking light. So we have to replace our Samsung S5 battery. It is just simple as that. I know that there are persons who would probably experience this problem as well with S6, which is a built-in battery, and there are other phones like the S7 and so on. So you guys, if you know you somewhat come across a similar problem like this, you can probably consider replacing your battery. I'll still do some experiment and see how I can revive this battery. If I do so, I will make an update video on it, so you guys can go right ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for you tech YouTubers here, if you have any comments that you want to make or you want to add, you can do so in the comment section. I am Lens, and I am out.